Hello guys, look, welcome to the Sorolpara guys. So many people are enjoying at this time guys, look. Water is very cold guys, look. This place is surrounded by the water and water guys, look. Water is very clear and crystal guys. And at this time the weather is very lovely and clear guys. You can see here also, look. Mountain is very clear guys, look. And clouds are becoming so darky guys, look. What an incredible moment guys, look. Beautiful. Look guys, look, they are enjoying guys. Some are also swimming at this river guys, look. Look guys, this water is coming from the Bhutan guys, and if you really want to see this beautiful place, then you can see here guys, look. Look guys, so many men are swimming at this time because this water is coming from the Bhutan guys, and water is very clear and crystal guys. And if you really want to see this beautiful place, then come here in the India-Bhutan border guys. So many crowded people are enjoying lot of guys, look. Water is very cold guys, look. So many people are coming. Water is speedily clearing guys, and water is flowing very speedily guys, look. If you really want to see this beautiful place, then come here in the Sorolpara guys, and this is the incredible moment guys, look. Anyway guys, thank you, till then, bye.